Hello everybody, my name is Chandra and this is video about naive Bayes classification in data science and how we classify the things in the naive Bayes. So let's look this agenda. The only agenda of this video is a demonstration of application of naive Bayes classification. Okay. So what is naive Bayes classification? So here it is written naive Bayes is a simple yet powerful algorithm for classification task. Okay, and it is based on a Bayes theorem and assume that the feature are independent even the class. So basically naive Bayes is a probabilistic classification algorithm based on a Bayes theorem, and it makes a simplifying assumption. Okay, a simplifying assumption that features are independent of each other and given the class label. Okay, this assumption while often not strictly true, make the calculation efficient. So basically practical example would be like email spam detection. Suppose we let's consider a simple scenario of email detection. So if you we just provide particular keywords like if it email has a spam or not, then the other email will be evaluating behalf of that. Okay, so let's see about code. So here it is written, we are importing all the required library. We are using naive Bayes here from the Gaussian and NB, and the accuracy score for getting the reports about how model is how accurate this model is. So we are loading the ERIS data set as before in the ERIS data and the target, and we are splitting again it in the testing and training values, and we are initializing this NB classifier, nothing but a naive Bayes classifier, and fitting the model using this X train and Y train. Okay, so this will automatically train this naive Bayes with these two values, and we will make the prediction on this using the X test and getting the Y prediction. So let's evaluate this accuracy score and get the conclusion matrix and the report of this. Well, we have the accuracy of 1.0 here, and the precision is too good, that is 1, is 100% precision, and F1 score is also good. So as you can see the report, so this is the naive Bayes classification. You can effectively apply this algorithm to various classification problem. So that's for this video. Thank you for watching this. See you next time.